How to place or set an accumulator on Bet365. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And this video today I'll guide you through the steps and how you can put an accumulator on Bet365. Well, the process is very simple and comfortable, so let me guide you through. First, you want to register to Bet365 or log into your account if you are already registered. Then you want to deposit funds to your account. You can find the deposits tab. In order to do so, you'll have to verify your account, so make sure to do so. Then select the markets you want to combine from the sports selection and place your multiple bets. Now you also want to check the compatibility of the selected markets in the bet slip. Enter the stake amount and confirm bet. The selected markets are not always combinable as you can't merge related markets. If the markets are not compatible, you'll see it in the bet slip. To find the markets that you want to place your multiple bets on, you need to go to the sports section and then choose the league from the left side menu. After choosing the league, you'll be able to see the available games in the center with the common markets. You can also open all available markets by clicking on the match from where you'll be able to choose your market. So, hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.